If you're looking to get up to speed with Salesflare on mobile, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Salesflare on your phone for maximum efficiency, whether you're on the go or working remotely. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the features that can take your sales process to the next level. Plus, stick around because I'll also share an exclusive offer to get Salesflare for free with some extra bonuses just for you. Now, first things first. Once you've installed Salesflare on your mobile device, you're going to want to dive straight into the dashboard. When you open the app, you're greeted with a clean, easy-to-navigate layout. This app is all about saving you time, so every part of it is designed with simplicity in mind. On your dashboard, you'll immediately see key metrics like tasks, upcoming meetings, and your active pipeline, giving you a clear picture of where things stand at a glance. One of the key features of Salesflare is its integration with your email and calendar. You can easily track all your communication with contacts directly through the app. When you receive or send an email, Salesflare automatically logs it for you, keeping everything in one place without the need for manual entry. This automation allows you to focus on what matters most, selling, rather than worrying about data entry. The mobile app also has a seamless contact management feature. With a few taps, you can search and filter through all your leads and customers. You can add new contacts, update information, and track your interactions with them in real time. No more hunting through your inbox or notes to find a contact's details. Everything is easily accessible right at your fingertips. Now, if you need to schedule or reschedule meetings, Salesflare's mobile calendar integration comes in handy. You can easily sync meetings and calls to your calendar and even set reminders for follow-ups. Everything updates automatically, and you get notified whenever it's time to act. This keeps your workflow smooth and ensures you never miss an opportunity. A great feature on mobile is the activity feed. This feed gives you a real-time overview of everything happening in your pipeline, from new tasks to follow-up actions and meetings. It's a great way to stay on top of things without having to dive deep into the app. This constant update helps you stay ahead of your targets and always be prepared for your next action. Now let's talk about the mobile app's reporting features. You can pull up key sales stats directly on your phone, which means you don't have to wait until you're at your desk to review your performance. Whether it's checking your sales funnel, looking at closed deals, or reviewing your conversion rates, you have all the insights right in the palm of your hand. This means no more waiting around to make informed decisions. And if you're managing a team, Salesflare's mobile version makes collaboration a breeze. You can assign tasks, track performance, and share updates across your team. Everything stays synced, so everyone stays in the loop, even when you're all working remotely or on the move. Before I wrap up, here's the kicker. You can try Salesflare for free through the link in the description below, and it comes with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. This extended free trial will give you all the features I've just mentioned, so you can see for yourself how Salesflare can boost your sales productivity. So, whether you're managing your contacts, keeping track of deals, or staying organized while mobile, Salesflare's mobile app is a powerful tool, and if you haven't already, check out the link below for your extended free trial with exclusive bonuses.